To fit your loose cover, start by finding the back corners. Drape the cover over the sofa, beginning at the back and over the arms. Attach the Velcro fastener at the bottom corner to keep the cover in place. Adjust the fabric along the arm so it sits neatly and evenly. Straighten the back seam and line it up with the back edge of the sofa. Next, smooth out the front seat and make sure the seam is straight and centred. Tuck excess fabric into the tuck points in the sofa frame for a clean finish. The fabric can be manipulated by hand. Your order includes anchors. Use them to keep everything in place. Insert the anchors between the rails at the back of the sofa. Finally, double check that all seams are straight and the cover is sitting evenly. Once everything looks right, fit the cushions. Should your covers need freshening up, we recommend dry cleaning them.